How to upload video on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be learning how we can upload a video on TikTok. So let's get started. Now, we first open the TikTok app as usual. It's very simple interface. To upload it, from the bottom of the navigation menu, you can see the plus icon there. So you just tap on the plus icon over there. Now when you tap on plus icon, you can choose to record a video, like however you want it. You can choose to record a video. So otherwise you can just choose to upload the one from your gallery. So you can tap on the gallery icon there, then you can go to the videos tab, then you can scroll and look through the list of videos that maybe you'd like to upload, and then you just tap the next button there. Then you can make your necessary edits, you can make your necessary filters, add some text if you want to, then tap the next button to be able to add them. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically add or maybe go ahead and upload a video to TikTok. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in our next video.